Hey everybody, this is Teresa from Teresa's Face and Body in Cape Coral. How's everybody today? I'm here to talk to you about teresasfaceandbody.com, and we have a men's waxing spa tip of the week. Gentlemen, when you come in to get your wax, I don't care if we're waxing your back or waxing your legs or waxing under your arms, your chest, it's really, really important. Make sure you have 1/4 of an inch of hair before you come in and get your wax done. You'll have a much, much better time. Secondly, make sure you exfoliate that skin, because with exfoliation, the hairs will come up nice and straight and you'll do much better with your wax. The wax will help take that hair off rather than breaking those hairs off. It'll take the whole hair out. Also, gentlemen, after your wax, it's so, so important. Please don't go out anywhere where you're going to sweat, because sweat attracts bacteria. 24 hours after a wax, your pores are open. You don't want to get any type of bacteria into those follicles. You want them to close down and heal. So it's highly recommended. Don't go out and do something where you're going to sweat. Go out places like the gym and work out where you'll sweat. Don't do that. Give yourself 24 hours. Give yourself permission to not go to the gym and not get all sweaty, so your skin will heal up beautifully. Also, we have no bump serum here at Teresa's Face and Body, and there's a couple of different brands, and that works beautifully. It contains salicylic acid, which, by the way, 24 hours after your wax, you would apply that on your skin with a cotton pad, and that helps the hairs to come up and for the skin on the outside, the stratum corneum, to slough off, so those hairs can come up straight out of your follicles, so you don't get that horrible problem of ingrown hairs and folliculitis, which is the inflammation of the follicle. You want your hairs to come up nice and straight, so you'll be all set and you won't be itchy and uncomfortable, because it also causes that problem. So gentlemen, here's some tips for you. When you come and get your wax, make sure you have 1/4 of an inch of hair on your back or wherever we're waxing. Also, make sure that you've exfoliated that skin to make sure those hairs are really nice and they come up nice and straight. Also, after your wax, make sure to keep your skin cool. Please avoid places where you're going to sweat. I would stay out of a pool as well for 24 hours. And additionally, cleanse your skin. I think what's really, really nice is dial antibacterial soap, because that kills bacteria and your chances for ingrown hairs are lessened. And last but not least, to keep your skin comfortable, I would put some aloe vera or cortisone on your skin to calm it down. So this is Teresa from Teresa's Face and Body in Cape Coral, and my men's exclusive website is menswaxingspa.com. Here to give you guys a couple of tips on what to do so you have the best wax ever. Thanks. Have a great day.